All gone, everybody. So today is junkyard shopping day. You guessed it, right? Today is junkyard shopping day for the BMW E36. So in some strange way, I found this recycling area, this recycling company, and they sell car parts. So here I am now, about to pick this E36. This is that BMW I was talking about. It has been parked here for a long time. I believe it's a 1995. It has a carbon fiber little trim going on. I think that's fake. Obviously that's fake. Interior is clean. Interior is actually pretty clean. Like, it's about 110 times cleaner than mine. I wish I had my truck, because I'd definitely come out here and pick this up. It's a 5-speed manual. I'm not sure what exhaust that is, but it's definitely not factory, so I'm gonna take that. So I'm about to take this throttle body off, and I'm gonna take some other parts off of this car. I'm not sure what else yet, but I'm gonna keep looking to see what kind of goodies they have on here. They look like they have a lot of new stuff. This E36 look like it has upgraded injectors, so you know what that means. What's up, everybody? So I was looking at this motor, and I realized that this car was actually a good car. Here we go, we have a rebuilt motor. Good morning, everybody. Today's a new day. So yesterday I was trying to take off the cams, or take out the cams out of that Beamer, but I came a little late, so by the time I was about to get done, they had to close up. So I am here now at the junkyard, walking around to see if there are any more Beamers on the lot, any more E36s. They have a few, but they look really busted. So I'm about to go and take the cams out of this and then keep it moving. Good morning, everybody. So today's a new day, and I went to the junkyard yesterday. I went and picked some stuff up from the junkyard. I thought that I was gonna get upgraded cams, but when I did a little bit of research, I realized that the cams were just factory cams. They were the person who rebuilt the motor, and then I saw that cylinder 1 had coolant and oil mix, so I believe that after rebuilding, the person just got tired of the car and they just dropped it off at the junkyard. But there were a lot of new components that I got, so I'll show you what I got. Amongst the things that I got were 60-pound injectors. I got a whole set of those, the whole 6. I got some coil packs. Coil packs, you can't have enough. I just have enough just for spares. Got a new throttle body because mine, I think, has been acting up. I got a hood latch. That's something that I needed because mine broke. And I got a mass airflow sensor. For all you see right here, I paid the crackhead price of $20. I like when junkyards know that what they have is junk, because people like me who can see the value in them will go and purchase them. So everything here 20 bucks, and I will be installing these today. Well, not everything, but I'm gonna be installing a lot of this shit.
I mean you.
Here ends another vlog.